What do you care more about? Work, relationships, money, parenting, stress, your worries, accomplishments, or inner peace? Be honest with yourself. What do you care more about? Because this next lesson, which is lesson 188, is actually stating that the peace of God shines in you now. It is not something that you need to find. It's definitely not something you need to seek. It is something that you need to notice. It is a shift in what you place your attention to. We are placing our attention in all these things that I mentioned. We give them so much importance. And above all else, we give importance to who we think we are. It's called self-importance. That somehow we could be proven right. That is more important than peace. That somehow if we just continue to plug along and actually accomplish the things that we set out to do, that then we'll find inner peace. That somehow if we are acknowledged as being wonderful and great and recognized for all of our gifts, then we can feel inner peace. And yet deep inside, we know that there's this gnawing feeling that it will lead to stress in our lives. Whether that gnawing feeling is true or not, it's there. And so we choose not to acknowledge and notice the peace that is already there. That is the one thing we already have. So again, this lesson 188, states, the peace of God is shining in me now, not tomorrow. It is not a memory or a future visualization. It is an acknowledgement of a present state that we're experiencing right now. Can you feel it? Can you allow yourself to feel the state of peace right now? You know, any state that we experience, we can access in the moment right now. There's really nowhere else to access it. It is in the now that it is found, no matter what the state. If you want to experience fear, you're experiencing fear right now. You may somehow associate it to a past experience or a future dread, but the experience itself is happening in the moment, in the present moment. So replace the attention that you're placing to any of these stresses in your life with the state of peace right now. So that is lesson 188. And you just take a moment to ask yourself, what does peace feel like? What if you didn't use words to describe it? Instead, you just experienced it. The peace of God is shining in you now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share these videos. Share some comments about what that means to you to experience the peace of God right now. And if it's shining in you, it's worthy of being shared. Extend that peace to everything, and it will be reflected back at you. It's a constant loop. Don't listen and place your attention on things that tell you that peace is not accessible. It's absolutely accessible. It is the only thing that's true. We'll see you tomorrow for lesson 189. Thank you.